So would you recommend this to other individuals that are in similar situations?
Yes, 100%. Absolutely recommend this. It's gotten my confidence back. Feel comfortable going outside without a hat. It's a whole new me.
Okay, Chris, let's see if you can tell the difference between the natural growing hair follicles and the non-growing hair. This is at 200 magnification of your natural growing hair. And the next one is 200 magnification of non-growing hair replacement. Can you tell the difference? Because I certainly can't.